there, good Thursday afternoon, everyone. It's turned out to be a pretty nice day out there. A little nicer than we expected, certainly, this period of sunny weather. Definitely a longer-lived event than we had bargained for, so therefore temperatures are warmer than we expected. What a beautiful afternoon down in Columbiana along the traffic circle. The flag not moving a whole lot, although it is fairly breezy in parts of the valley. And up in Niles, looking out towards the Eastwood Mall, nice sunny skies for this afternoon. Now, we're still expecting some snow later on, but in the meantime, look at these temperatures, upper 30s to around 40 here at 1:30 in the afternoon. So definitely above average for the end of January. Wind gusts right now, 25 miles per hour at the airport. 24 is the number in Cleveland. It's gusting to 18 down in New Philly. All right, the radar, of course, quiet locally, but we do have our Alberta Clipper system up to the north. This is spreading some snow into parts of Michigan. I'll tell you, as this comes in later on, with as much as we've warmed up with the sunshine this afternoon, this might transition into kind of a mixed bag, or maybe even just plain rain for a time. Towards the end of the afternoon, once this gets into the warm sector of central Ohio. So here's our high-resolution futurecast showing us the future radar, and I'm going to pause this right around 7:38 this evening. Some precipitation pushing in, but again, along the leading edge, this could actually be rain or at least a mix before everything kind of cools off and we change over to just snow showers for the overnight tonight. We'll get some lake enhancement going on during the middle of the night, and that will tend to up those snow totals a little bit, up towards the snow belt and even into the secondary snow belt in northern Trumbull and northern Mercer County. Could be 2 to 4 inches up in the primary snow belt of northeast Ohio, northwest PA. In our viewing area, in parts of Mercer County and northern Trumbull, you might squeeze out 1.5 inches or even 2 inches out of this, but for most of it, this is 1 inch or less worth of snow coming our way tonight. And again, it might even start as a little mixed precipitation this evening. Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, we'll tackle the short-term weather. We'll talk about the weekend warm-up, and we'll talk about the big spring-like storm that's going to be out in the middle of the country next week. It'll produce a lot of snow, and then in the warm sector, it'll produce severe weather, it looks like, for parts of the lower Ohio Valley, the Mississippi Valley, and it might even bring thunder to our neck of the woods before all is said and done. So kind of a wild start to the month of February. We'll cover all that in Weather Geeks this evening, and be sure and check out my 7-day forecast this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11 on TV and streaming live on your mobile device.